My latest microwave here. It's a Toshiba 1.1 cubic foot, 1000 watt microwave. And I've had it about a month because I wanted to try it out before I did a review on it. This is my dog Darla. And what would make her happy if y'all would hit the subscribe button right now. So y'all help make my dog happy. Okay, look how friendly she is. Just hit subscribe and she'll keep wagging that tail. It's got a lot of little features to it, like these little buttons over here. You got popcorn, potato, pizza, frozen veggies, beverage, and dinner plate. I ain't used any of those except for the potato one. And I know that you use that on your typical size potato, it does a good job of cooking it. You don't have to add any time. So I've been real happy with that. Now I use this thing at least once a day, sometimes twice or 3 times. I cook a lot of tea in it. I cook potatoes in it. And I warm up soups in it and chilies and do a lot of stuff like that. Now, it's got this 12.5-inch turntable in here. I don't expect it to be too clean in there. Me living alone, we're lucky they ain't full of moss or something. So far, I've been very happy with it. It cooks real well. Oh, this feature here I like a lot. You don't have to push no button or pull no trigger to open the door. You just grab it and open it. And that makes it easier for me to deal with if I'm going to put a bowl in there or something. But like I said, I've been real happy with it. Have a great day.